Our next guest, fascinating guy. He's a social media influencer. He's a best-selling author. He's written 12 books. He says you don't necessarily need to get a college degree to make money in the age of the internet. The man on your screens right now is Dan Lok, and he's the man making that statement. Dan, welcome to the program.
Thank you, Stuart.
I'll repeat it. You don't need a college degree in the age of the internet to make real money.
Well, you look at Apple, you look at IBM, you look at Google, now they're hiring applicants without a college degree. What does that tell you, right?
Well, what does it tell you about the internet?
I think now a lot of students, after they graduate from school, a lot of them, they are not only they're in student loan, there are a lot of student debt, but then it doesn't guarantee success. It doesn't mean they'll get a job. Sometimes they'll go back to school and say, hey, I'll get a second degree. And then now they go out there and try to find a job. Then the corporations are telling them, now you're overqualified.
Well, you're an internet guy.
Yes.
You've made your name, you made your money on the internet.
Yes.
You don't need a college degree?
I didn't graduate from college. In fact, I dropped out of college because I couldn't stand how boring it was.
Which college?
Douglas College.
You dropped out?
Yes.
You're like a Bill Gates kind of thing.
No, I find that I dropped out because I'm just unemployable. I couldn't find someone to hire me, so.
Now, I'm fascinated by not how much money you've made on the internet, but what an impression you've made on the world. How many viewers have you got? How many eyeballs do you command?
I think on average, my YouTube channel now has about 1.1 million subscribers, and Instagram about over 600,000, on Facebook 1.5. So on average, on monthly basis, probably 15 to 20 million.
And what do you talk about?
Business entrepreneurship, financial confidence.
You don't need a college degree to get a
You don't need a college degree, yes.
And you get paid on the basis of how many eyeballs were on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube channel. That's how you get paid?
Some of it.
How else do you make money, may I ask?
I make money from how I get paid from business, my own businesses. I also have different training programs. I train people, giving them alternative career if they want to choose a different path, not the traditional path. If they want to be an accountant, if they want to be a doctor, a lawyer, sure. But if they want something else.
So what other kind of things do you train them for?
It could be a digital marketing career. It could be what I call a closing career, being a salesperson for a corporation.
So that's why I've seen so much of Dan Lok popping up at me in front of you all the time. Look, Dan...
I hope you're not sick of me yet. It's good.
Not yet, although we've only got 10 seconds left. But, Dan, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you, Stuart.
I hope you can come back again.
I will.
Find it very interesting.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.